this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video I will tell you about very effective homeopathic medicine for your eczema. So if you have the problem of eczema, if you have the reddish, inflamed, dry, cracked skin, then this video is going to be very useful for you, because today I will tell you a very effective top 6 homeopathic medicine for your eczema condition. Also, I will tell you about what is eczema, what are the causes behind it, what are the symptoms of eczema, and very effective top 6 homeopathic medicine to cure your eczema permanently via roots. So this video is going to be very useful for you. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's talk about what is eczema. Basically, the eczema is also called as the atopic dermatitis, which is characterized by the dry, itchy, inflamed patches on your skin. These patches can be found on your everywhere on your body, like it can be found on your hands, on your feet, on your ankle, on your foot, on your upper chest, and also on your face, on your neck, and also at your eyelid, and also it can be found in the band of joints. Let's talk about what are the causes behind the eczema. Exact causes are still unknown, but there are certain studies suggest that it may be due to the genetic, if the parents have the family history of the dermatitis. So the second condition, it may be due to the environmental factors like certain irritants, certain allergens, and also due to the chemical exposure, and also due to the temperature changes, and also it may be due to the worsened by the stress. So these are the some common reasons behind the dermatitis. Let's talk about what are the symptoms of eczema can be seen. There are symptoms like there may be itching. Itching may be mild to severe. Sometimes itching may worsen by the scratching. There will be the severe burning sensation after scratching. Sometimes there may be bleeding, and also there may be the dry, cracked skin on your affected area, on your hands, on your feet, on your ankle, on your elbow, on your band of joint, on your upper chest, on your neck, on your eyelid, and also there may be the small raised bumps can be seen, which are usually filled with the discharge fluid. They form crusting over on it. Brownish or grayish patches can be seen on the skin surface, and also there will be the dry, cracked, inflamed skin, severe itching with the sensation of burning sensation. So these are the symptoms of the eczema can be seen. Let's talk about what are the top 6 homeopathic medicine to cure your eczema permanently. Today I will tell you about top 6 homeopathic medicine which have excellent action on your eczema condition. Like if you have the problem of the dry, itchy, cracked skin, your skin is so inflamed, there will be the severe itching, intense itching, which is worsened, usually causes the burning sensation. Sometimes there will be the bleeding. Today I will tell you the top 6 homeopathic medicine. Let's talk about other medicine. The first indicated homeopathic medicine for eczema, first is that the Graphitis. Graphitis is a very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated where the patient has the already history of the skin infection. The indication of the Graphitis, there will be the dry, cracked skin, and there will be the oozing discharge. Discharge may be the thick like honey, and also there will be the severe itching, and the patient have the history of constipation. In this condition, you can use the Graphitis. Graphitis can have excellent result on the moist eczema. How to take? You have to take Graphitis in a 30 potency. 2 drops triclosan. Take this medicine thrice in a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the second medicine will be the sulfur. Sulfur is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It is a well indicated medicine for all types of skin condition. The person who have the history of a tendency of recurrent infection, like the patient who have the rashes, history of rashes, history of itching or eczema, in this condition you can use the sulfur. The indication of the sulfur, the skin is a very dry, very dirty, unhealthy skin, and also there is the intense itching, and also after scratching there is the severe burning. This burning can aggravate it with the warmth of the bread, and itching can be worsened when on night, and also in the sulfur itching is aggravated after bathing. So in this condition you can use the sulfur. Let's talk about how to take sulfur. You have to take sulfur in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in the tongue. Take this medicine thrice in a day, 10 to 15 days. Definitely will get very good result. Let's talk about the third homeopathic medicine, which is the arsenic alum. It is a very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated in the chronic eczema condition. So if you have the dry cracked skin which turns to the blackish discoloration, also there with the severe burning, in this condition you can use the arsenic. And also the patient is very anxious during itching, in this condition you can use arsenic alum. You have to take 2 to 3 drops directly on the tongue. Take this medicine thrice in a day for 10 to 15 days. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the fourth medicine will be the petroleum. Petroleum is also very effective homeopathic medicine. This medicine is indicated when your eczema is aggravated during winter season. In winter season, if you have the problem of eczema, in this condition you can use the petroleum. The indication of the skin, the rashes may be the dry, cracked, very dry skin, cracked skin. There is a deep cuts can be seen, and also sometimes there is a bleeding. In this condition you can use the petroleum. You have to use petroleum in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in the tongue. Take this medicine thrice in a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Definitely will get very good result. After that, the fifth medicine will be the Rustox. Rustox is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated during the rainy season, damp weather. The severe itching can be seen, and it is relieved by the warmth application, also by the motion. In this condition you can use the Rustox. And also there is blisters can be seen which is filled with the fluid. After crushing they may form the crust overall. In this condition you can use the Rustox. You have to take Rustox in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly on your tongue. Take this medicine thrice in a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Definitely will get very good result. After that, the last medicine will be the Megaerium. Megaerium is also very effective homeopathic medicine. It is indicated especially if you have the eczema on your scalp, and if you have the severe intense itching on it, and also there is the small bumps can be seen on your skin surface. In this condition you can use the Megaerium. You have to take Megaerium in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly on the tongue. Take this medicine twice in a day, 10 to 15 days. Definitely will get very good result. So friends, this was the top 6 homeopathic medicine for your eczema. You can use this homeopathic medicine according to your symptoms, if according to your eczema type. So friends, this was the discussion about the eczema. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.